Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal: remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the I/O support bracket to the top cover and system board. Lift the I/O support bracket off of the alignment pins on the system board and remove. Important: make careful note of the routing of the power connector cable for later replacement. Remove the power connector from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the power connector cable. Replacement: connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board. Place the power connector into position and apply pressure to adhere it to the top cover. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Place the I/O support bracket onto the alignment pins on the system board. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the I/O support bracket to the system board and top cover.